We are now passing by Lezzeno, another charming village on the western shore of Lake Como, just 15 minutes from Como and about 30 minutes from Bellagio. And Bellagio is approaching a commune or municipality in the province of Como, Lombardy region of Italy, situated also on Lake Como. Our tour guide will further give information on what we can see.
It's called Villa La Placida and it's owned by the Barclays Bank. The Barclays bought this villa in 2010 for 50 million of euros. Fifty. We are now in the little district of San Giovanni. This is the church of San Giovanni in Baroque style. This also was used by the Dolce & Gabbana for a fashion show. And near it we can see the villa. It's Villa Trotti. It's one of the oldest villas on the lake. It's from the 14th century, 1/4. Called Villa Trivulzio Geli. It's owned by the family Trivulzio from Milan. It's a very important family, aristocratic family from Milan, and they use this villa only for 2 weeks a year in September. Yeah, because the September is the best time to visit Lake Como. District of Loppia, and in Loppia we have Villa Melzi. Villa Melzi is very important. This villa was built by the Count of Lodi only to bring Napoleone Bonaparte on Lake Como. This villa was built in 1808 in neoclassical style, and today it's also a private villa, but the gardens can be visited. Napoleon was here 3 times. In Italy. This little chapel here, it's called the Chapel of Music. It's very famous because here Franz Liszt and Cosima Wagner wrote here the sonata dedicated to Dante and Beatrice. Ritz-Carlton in 2 years, 7 stars. 7 stars, luxury. Is the first will be the first Ritz-Carlton of Italy. Above we can see Villa Serbelloni. It's owned by the Rockefeller Foundation from New York, and is the last place where JFK, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, passed his vacation in Italy in 1963 before Dallas.
Okay guys, this is the end of our 8 days tours and hope you enjoy watching my travel videos and find it interesting, informative, and worthwhile places to see. We'll ride now on the tour bus designated for us. Looking forward to be with you again on our future travel, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like this video. God bless everyone. In the evening, we were back at Novotel Lugano Paradiso, and the leader from Gate 1 travel company gave us a very memorable farewell dinner, and we savor this delicious food. Thanks for watching. God bless.